Hey y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. Your company's data is such a valuable asset, and learning how often you should perform a data backup is one of the best ways to keep your business and your employees safe. In this video, you'll learn what data backup is, what data loss is, and when to properly backup all of your devices and systems. What is a data backup? Backing up your data means you are copying or archiving files and folders so that in the event of a data loss, you'll be able to find and utilize these important files and documents. So what causes a data loss? Well, many different things can cause data loss, such as computer viruses, ransomware, hardware failures, file corruption, natural events like a fire or a flood, or even theft. The types of backups. First is a full backup. A full data backup copies everything so that you can ensure a fast and complete recovery of data. You can also access the most recent single backup version with a full data backup. However, this option requires the most storage space, bandwidth, and time. Next is an incremental backup, which means it involves making copies of files by taking into account the changes that have been made since the last full or incremental backup. This backup saves time and space, and doesn't require much storage space or bandwidth. Next is a differential backup. A differential backup takes updates made since the last full backup and ignores incremental backups. For example, say you have a full backup done on a Friday, an incremental backup done on a Monday, and a differential backup done on a Wednesday. In this case, the differential backup will update anything changed since Friday. Last is a cloud backup. A cloud backup is a service where your company's important files and data are encrypted and stored off-site on a secure server in a remote location. This ensures that data and servers can be restored in just minutes in the event of a hardware failure, a ransomware attack, or a natural disaster. All in all, we highly recommend that any important data you consider essential should really be backed up daily, regardless of the size of your business. Also, any data stored on a PC should be backed up to your network regularly as well. We sometimes think the data on our PCs gets backed up, however, this is not always the case. So when should you back up your data? Well, the only way to protect your business from losing valuable data is to make regular backups. Important data should be backed up at least once a week, preferably once every 24 hours. These backups can be performed manually or automatically. By backing up every day, you can be sure that you aren't missing anything important, even if something goes wrong overnight. Daily backups are straightforward if you take advantage of an IT company's data backup solutions. Keep in mind that some businesses will have more specific needs to be prioritized for a daily backup, such as blueprints, PDFs, or company literature. I'm Marissa with AIS. Thanks for watching, and hey, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because the more likes that we get on this video, the more videos we'll be producing for you.